I decided to become a chef as I do enjoy cooking, and my grandma was a chef. That always passion for her, and I always watched her as a young child and loved, helping her cook in the kitchen. My name is Natasha and I'm an Air Force chef. A typical day as an Air Force chef, waking up early mornings, getting ready to come in knowing that every day is different. Once we have a briefing, we find out what parts that we will be cooking or producing, and then we'll start getting ready on our own tasks. It's always amusing and entertaining because, you get to learn different dishes that you might not know about, and, bring your own flair to that dish, and also bring it out and serve it to, your ADF members. I enjoy, preparing those foods, bringing out those dishes, making everyone feel warm and good inside, I guess. It's like, it's just a great experience, and, everyone, it's like a big hug.